welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today we are going to organize and clean the house, make sure that everything is where it needs to be for back to school. I want just everything to be good. You know, this weekend we have a lot going on, so I just don't want to have to worry about the house being a mess, right? So if I clean today and I do everything today, then I could just enjoy my weekend. Our last weekend of summer. I'm so sad, but it's okay. It's okay. We are, tomorrow I have my godson's football game. Sunday we have church and a birthday party. And then Monday we're going to Aquatica. And then Tuesday it's school. So today's my last day to be able to do anything. And if, as you can see back here, I just got a huge mess everywhere. So we're gonna get all that done. We're gonna organize the kids' school stuff, make sure they have everything in their book bags, and just, you know, see what else we can find that we can do. Did I tell you guys that we're gonna take down all of my decorations? If I didn't, we're taking down my decorations for summer because I'm gonna start pulling out my fall stuff. I'm so excited. Yeah, so we'll be doing that. Excuse me. And what else? I don't know. We'll see what the day brings. I have to buy school lunch stuff. Yeah, let's just go. Let's just start, okay? First, I need coffee. So I'm gonna make my coffee and then we'll start.
Alone, there's an assortment of items, but together they make up a collection, like a museum.
I did drop it to all the museums back when I was a courier. Now that I don't.
So good. Okay, so we're gonna try really hard to not decorate for fall. I can't promise anything. Oh man, I'm so excited for fall. Okay, I don't know where to start. I'll start with the kitchen. Yeah, I'll start with the kitchen. Dang, it's a lot of stuff. Maybe I should drink my coffee first. Okay guys, so while I sit here and do these dishes, I wanted to read a meme to you guys that I had sent to my sister, and it totally hit home for me and her. So it says, I just read something that rings so true for me. It stated, we expect women to work like they don't have children and raise children as if they don't work. Shout out to all the working moms who feel like they are being measured by impossible standards. I see you. And this is literally so true. When I was working, I felt so much guilt that I wasn't there for my kids 24/7, that I wasn't able to pick them up at the car line like they wanted, that I wasn't able to do those things that I always wanted to do. And thank God now I'm blessed and I can be home, and I'm a stay-at-home mom/wife. But for those who still work, I mean, I feel you. You are, if no one has told you today, you are doing an amazing job. You are an amazing mother. The fact that you are worried and you care so much makes you an amazing mom. So just continue to do your very best. That's all that matters. The whole world can just seem kind of, you know, like everyone else is doing so much and you're not. And really, they're all just trying their best, just like you are. So you keep pushing, mama. Okay, so while I'm reading memes, I found this other meme that says, person noticing my 2 daughters. Don't you want to have another baby and try for a boy? Me, no, I'm trying for a nap and financial security. It's so true. Everyone asks me, hey, you got 2 boys. Don't you want a girl? And yes, I would love a girl if I were guaranteed a girl. Like, literally, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. You will have a girl. Then I will maybe try, maybe. But honestly, I'm happy. I love the life that I live. My kids, our biggest problems is like preteen problems now. And like, you know, you're yelling too much in your video games. Calm down. Or, you know, simple things. I'm sure other things will come up. But for now, that's what we're worried about. I'm not worried about you making sure a little baby doesn't fall down the stairs or go up the stairs. Or little kids are a lot. And I'm in a place in my marriage, in my life, that I'm just not wanting that part of life anymore, honestly. But anyways, I thought that was funny, and yeah. I just cleaned this last week. Look it. That's the water from cup soup. My kids. It's okay. Okay, last meme, I swear. Plus the video's almost over. Guys, follow me on Instagram if you like memes for moms, because I totally love to post them. But anyways, okay, last one. Some days I'm superwoman, other days I give up before 9 a.m. because I have no idea what's going on and I didn't sleep well enough to try and figure it out. It's so true. I literally have days that I'm like, yes, hunty, you did that. And then other days that I'm looking at my husband like, you're lucky you have dinner. Guys, it comes with the territory. Nasty. everything is out. Clean slate. Ready for fall. Okay. Bare living room. It looks sad. Aww. It's okay. You're gonna get some decoration very soon. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed and you have your notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post a video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am so tired, as you can tell. This is like 3 hours later. I had to take a nap. I was dead tired because I did a thing. I sort of started decorating for fall, even though I said not to. Anyways, that's for another video. Alright guys, love you. Bye.